This is a Nexus domain tutorial for conversion of coordinates from one coordinate system to the other using MapInfo. Go to File, Open, and then navigate to your file directory. You assign a coordinate system to your imported file. Then you select the coordinate system for the input file, which in this case the decimal degrees. Now for first time users, you have to activate the coordinate extractor. Go into Tools, Tool Manager, and then you check the coordinate extractor for loaded and auto load. Then you OK. So now you assign a coordinate system for the imported file. Tools, coordinate extractor, extract coordinates. Then you create the headers for the files to be exported. You assigned the new coordinate system, which in this case is the Ghana National Grid Imperial System. Now you have your exported new coordinate system, which is the Ghana National Grid. So go to Table, Export, and select the output format. Then give your file a name. Then you check OK. Basically, you have your new coordinate system. You can close the software and navigate to your file.